Here's a quick tutorial on how to add multiple images for your products. Once you've logged in, start by selecting Sell a Product in the upper menu. This will take you to the standard product submission form. Just like any product, start by adding your title for your product. Once you've added a title, now it's time to add the images that you want in your gallery. Start by clicking the Add Media button. This brings us to the Media Uploader tool. Start by clicking Create Gallery on the left. Now you can either upload files from your computer or use existing files. In this case, we're going to upload some images from our computer. Once our files have finished uploading, we're then going to click the button in the bottom right that says Create a New Gallery. Now we've added our images to the gallery, we can set some of the different settings. We can adjust where the image is linked to when they're clicked, how many columns they're displayed in, and what their size is. Once you've done that, click Insert Gallery. Now our gallery has been added to the description area of our product. Now right below that, we can begin typing in the actual description of the product. The next thing to notice is the featured image. This is the main image that's displayed above the product as well as on the other search pages. So here, select which product you want to display as the main image and upload that. Then we'll go through and we'll fill out all the other sections like we would with a regular product. And when we're all done, we click Submit. Now you've just posted a product with multiple images in a gallery. If you have any other questions, please go to the site and contact us on the FAQ form to submit your questions. Thank you.